So here Evelyn says that she does not only see the lip movement of the person face to make out what the person is speaking. ठीक है, आप जो डेफ लोग होते हैं उनको सुनाई आता नहीं है, दे वोंट बी एबल टू लिसन, तो वो लिप मूवमेंट जो है वो देखते हैं, लिप सिंक देखते हैं और फिर उससे वो डिस्कवर कर लेते हैं कि मे बी द पर्सन इज सेइंग दिस और दैट. सो सेम विद द एवेलिन. She quoted that she does not only see the lip movement of the person face to make out what the person is speaking, she sees the whole face. That means the entire expression of the face of the speaker makes Evelyn identify or know what the person is saying. She adds the expression of the eyes help Evelyn make out what person sitting in front of her is saying, mainly the expressions of the eyes. And flawlessly, you know the meaning of flawlessly, without a fault or mistake. And lilt, Scottish lilt means a way of speaking like we say accent. So here the writer says that Evelyn's speech is flawless and she had a Scottish accent. Scottish accent as she belongs to Scotland and her voice has that accent. So means Scottish accent. So Evelyn says that she can speak clearly because she had learned the language and she had studied till the age of 11, till the time she could hear. But after becoming deaf, Evelyn also learned 2 new languages. She has learned French and basic Japanese. So one wonder that how could she learn these 2 new languages also despite her deafness. So here Evans explained that how does she identify music. It creates sensation in her skin, in her cheekbones and even in her hair, as I told you earlier this also. So every part of Evelyn body respond to music, means वो प्रॉपरली म्यूज़िक में खो जाती थी. तो उसको मेनली वो डेफ थी बट लेकिन उसको हर सेंसेशन जो था वो उसके बॉडी में क्रिएट करता था. ठीक है, इट क्रिएट सेंसेशन इन हर स्किन, इन हर चीक बोन एंड इवन इन हर हेयर. सो एवरी पार्ट ऑफ एवलिन बॉडी responds to music. And when she plays the xylophone, she uses sticks and she can sense the vibration of the sound produced by the xylophone pass through the sticks up to her fingertips. Okay, basically वो xylophone जो थी sticks की हेल्प से प्ले करती थी. तो xylophone जो था उसकी जो sticks थी वो उसके फिंगर टिप्स तक उस वाइब्रेशंस को प्रोड्यूस करती थी. And when Evelyn plays the drum, she leans towards the drum and she can feel the echo flowing into her body. So here she is just explaining that how can she feel the music. ठीक है, वो xylophone का उसने बताया कैसे होता है, ड्रम का भी उसने बताया. She lean towards the drum and she can feel the echo flowing into her body. So whenever Evelyn performs, she perform on a wooden platform and she removes her shoes so that she can feel the vibration of the musical instrument pass through the floor into her feet and up her legs. That is how she can feel the sound of the musical instrument. So basically उसने जो है अब हमें यहाँ पर emphasize किया है how does she feel the music. So जब भी वो किसी शो किसी कॉन्सर्ट में होती थी तो वो क्या करती थी, she perform on a wooden platform and she removes her shoes so that vibration जो है वो उसको फील हो सके, उसकी वाइब्रेशन ऑफ द म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच पासिस थ्रू द फ्लोर इनटू हर फीट्स एंड अप हर लेग्स. दैट इज हाउ शी कैन फील द साउंड ऑफ द म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. Now Evelyn is a delight to hear. She gives a very good solo performances. ठीक है, वो बहुत काफ़ी अच्छी मल्टी स्टार बन चुकी थी, मल्टी परफेक्शनिस्ट तो थी वो, और वो काफ़ी कॉन्सर्ट्स काफ़ी शोज़ करती थी. Now she gives very good solo performances also. In the year 1991 she was presented with the award of Royal Philharmonic Society prestigious Soloist of the Year award for performing solo. So here now here the entry came of James Blades. He is the master percussionist and his words were the one that we read before we started the reading of the chapter according to James. That God took away Evelyn's hearing ability but in return he gave her strong power of sensing sounds which enabled her to become a great म्यूजिशियन. सो ये वर्डिंग जो थे ये जेम्स ब्लेड्स के थे जो हमने स्टार्टिंग चैप्टर में पढ़े थे. सो यहाँ पर एवलिन का जो है एवलिन ने कन्फेस किया दैट शी इज़ समथिंग ऑफ अ वर्कोहॉलिक. वर्कोहॉलिक मीन्स अ पर्सन हु फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू स्टॉप वर्किंग. ठीक है। तो एवेलिन ने जो है वो काफ़ी हार्ड वर्किंग थी एंड शी डज नॉट स्टॉप वर्किंग नाउ टू बी एट par with those people who can hear, who are classical musicians. Evelyn worked very hard. So Evelyn says that the rewards she gets for her hard work are huge and big.